Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn about Salesforce platform and environment. So let's proceed by understanding what is Salesforce platform. So in simple terms, the Salesforce platform is a platform as a service cloud, formerly known as a force.com. It is a powerful PaaS product designed to simplify the development and the deployment of a cloud-based application and website. With Salesforce platform, developer can create a wide array of enterprises and a business application without the need for extra hardware and a software. And you also don't have to worry about a database management. But that's not all. Salesforce platform also supports the entire application lifecycle management process from building, testing to deployment, and even after the deployment it is there for a maintenance and upgrades. Now, here is a magic. The Salesforce platform hides the complexity of a servers and the developers don't need to worry about managing and configuring servers anymore. Instead, they can concentrate on creating a custom apps and website effortlessly. And with power of a cloud integrated development environment, you can quickly bring your ideas to a life and deploy them seamlessly across multiple tenants of a Salesforce platform. And it is not stop here. The platform offers a simple, a low code solution by using which you can create an app and do automation that enhance the business productivity and efficiency. And possibly it also lower the IT expenditure in the process. So now let's proceed and try to clear out the difference between Salesforce and the Salesforce platform. Maybe some of you get confused in the word salesforce.com or a Salesforce and a Salesforce platform. So let's try to understand it. So basically the Salesforce is like a real organization that has a programs for a business and it helps them to manage their customer for a sales and services. And on the other hand, the Salesforce platform is like a toolbox that is used for making the program better. It lets you add new features or tools to the programs like budding your own apps or making it work with other programs to you. Basically, this Salesforce is a software as a service cloud, whereas a Salesforce platform is a platform as a service based cloud. So, Salesforce is one of the best CRM software that is used to design, manage sales and customer services, whereas the Salesforce platform is a cloud based PaaS tool that is used for developing, customizing, and deploying of the application. And moving to the next, the Salesforce functionality is to concentrate on a CRM features such as marketing, automations, lead management, opportunity tracking, and a customer support. Whereas in case of a Salesforce platform, uh, the Salesforce platform provides you an infrastructure for creating a variety of applications such as a custom apps, portal, and other that are beyond the CRM. And the Salesforce target the business and the organization audience looking for the CRM solution to manage their marketing, sales, and the customer service operation. Whereas the Salesforce platform targets the developers, companies, and organization that wants to create and deploy the unique app that extend beyond the traditional CRM functionality. So, in simple words, a Salesforce is a software where Salesforce platform is a platform or an infrastructure that provides you a hardware, a software, and a servers for creating up applications. So now let's move ahead and learn about Salesforce environment. So the Salesforce environment is an essential instance of the force.com infrastructure and a platform. Just like how Gmail provide you with a unique email account, Salesforce give you a very own space in the cloud for all the things. Think of it in the way when you sign up in a Gmail, you can create an email account that is exclusively yours and you can use it with the help of username and a password that you have. Similarly, when you sign in for a Salesforce, you are getting access to your own corner for a Salesforce platform. But instead of emails, here you work with a powerful cloud computing environment that works as per your need. So just as a Gmail allow you to send and receive emails, similarly like that your Salesforce environment allows you to access, create, deploy application with all wide range of features that you want. And there are some key differences in the features and capabilities that you have in your Salesforce environment can vary from other environment. They depend on how your environment is configured, such as Salesforce additions you are using, the types of lessons you have, the profile assigned to you, to users and others. Along together, these configuration factors a shape of your Salesforce environment and what you can achieve within it. It is a flexible, adaptable space where you can customize and build your application, automate your business processes, and collaborate with your team. And in simple words, you can conclude it like that it is just like a Gmail provider with your personalized email experience. Similarly, this Salesforce gives you a customized cloud computing environment, a sandbox for development and testing and production on your own Salesforce org. So I hope you clearly understand what this Salesforce environment means. So let's proceed and try to understand some characteristics of a Salesforce environment. So, the one of the first character is that the changes you made in one Salesforce environment do not affect other. They are isolated from each other, ensuring the safety and stability of your system. For example, if you made changes in the testing environment, it would not affect the live production environment. Moving to the next, all these environments can be accessed through any web browser, post.com IDE, or SOAP. This accessibility empowers your team to collaborate seamlessly and work from anywhere. Moving to the third characteristic of the Salesforce environment, it depends upon your Salesforce edition and the license that you use. You can create a different deployment teams with specific functionalities and limitation, and this flexibility allow you to customize your Salesforce experience to your unique business need as per your needs. Now, let's move to the fourth one. Environment has a different data record. By this we mean that each environment holds different records which can include customer details, sales opportunities, sport cases and others. And these records are separated from each other to ensure the data integrity, confidentiality and security. So the data that we have in the live production is not uploaded in your testing production or the deployment edition. Now moving to the last but not the least, customization is on your fingertips. You can use the Salesforce to customize your objects, fields, workflows, and also custom codes according to your specific business need. And this ensures the adaptability of a Salesforce according to your requirements. So with this, we have also discussed the characteristics of a Salesforce environment. So now we move ahead and discuss some types of a Salesforce environment. In Salesforce, basically we have three types of environment. The first one is production, the second one is development, and the third one is a testing. So we try to understand each of the environment one by one. So the first one is the production environment. It is a live and the operational instance of your Salesforce organization where all your day-to-day business process activities take place. This is as the official Salesforce account for your staff and the clients where they are connected with your Salesforce application on a daily basis. The point is that it is a place where your customer run their business. Now, interestingly, here developer can add new objects, fields and validation rules for the production environment without needing a separate development or a testing environment. But the Salesforce always recommends to use a development environment while building a custom apps to ensure everything runs smoothly. So let's proceed and try to understand what this development environment is. So this is the playground for developers where the developer set up or customize or build or test Salesforce applications features without causing any disruption to the production environment. For development purpose, this development environment is used by the developers, and for the development purpose, developer can use tools like a Visual Studio Code for coding or work directly in the browser. Moreover, this development environment contains a test data that is not critically for the company, and making this environment as a perfect space to experiment the Salesforce solution. Even developers and the partners use the development environment to build the functionality, test their creation, ensure everything is working before making it live into the production environment. So now we move to the last environment, that is a testing environment. Testing environment. This is the crucial step in a Salesforce journey. Before making any changes, adding customizations or adding some new features into the live production environment, Salesforce administrators and developer can perform some types of a testing here. So this testing environment is controlled space designed for early detection and a correction of a problems, errors or unexpected consequences. This is the place where you can put your Salesforce changes to test before they potentially disrupt end user or the company process. Developer can use this testing environment to perform security checks for multiple users and profiles and try to uncover the bugs and discover enhancement that might want to be added to their Salesforce solution. So with this, we have learned the types of Salesforce environment and our 2 day session ends here. Now in the next session, we will learn various Salesforce environment additions and their pricing.